Since the 1970s, this archipelago of islands has been one of Australia's most visited holiday havens. But of the 74 islands of the Whitsundays, there's one that has become a clear favourite.
Nothing says Hamilton Island like the trusty golf buggy. This is the island's main mode of transport, and it totally fits the holiday vibe. Behind the wheel of this little baby, it's hard not to smile and impossible not to relax.
With its own airport and direct flights daily out of Brisbane and Sydney, Hamilton is also the most easily accessible of the Whitsunday Islands. But it's not just a tourist destination, this is a thriving community with a permanent population of around 1,000 lucky residents. There's an island loop bus that runs all day, but you seriously can't beat having your own buggy. It's not the fastest way to get around, but it's definitely the most fun. And after all, we're on island time now.
It's easy to see why Hamilton is the Whitsunday's most popular island. But even if it's at full capacity, you would never know. There's plenty of room for everyone.
Accommodation options range from the uber-exclusive 5-star Qualia to the family-friendly Reef View Hotel. True to its name, the Reef View is centred around the incredible outlook. A little more exclusive and a little more intimate is the adults-only beach club, just in front of the Reef View Hotel. Take your pick from 1 story with a balcony or ground floor with a garden.
From the moment you arrive at the beach club, you know you're in for something special. A welcome mocktail, easy check-in, luxurious rooms, yet still relaxed. And then there's this, the world's largest coral reef, right at your doorstep.
Cat's Eye Beach is the hub of the beach activity on the island, and when staying at any of the Hamilton Island-owned accommodation, non-motorised water sports are complimentary. But these waters are also a launching pad for day trips to dreamy destinations, like Whitehaven Beach and snorkelling and dive trips on the Outer Reef. With its permanent population, as well as day trippers and holiday makers, you'll be spoiled for choice when it comes to dining out, with everything from fine dining to fish and chips, and my personal favourite, manta ray.
No matter where you go, you can't escape this view. But why would you want to? This looks amazing.
Manta Ray boasts the best wood-fired pizzas on the island. And like most spots on the island, water views are just a part of the package.
So, Shant, this is the family's 3rd time to Hamilton Island. What do you love about it so much?
We come back every year as a family for our family holidays. Get sun all the time, beaches, time around the pool. It's good fun.
And what do the kids love most about?
We like the beach and the coral.
Yeah, what do you like?
I like the coral and I like swimming in the pool.
It's one of those places that somehow manages to keep the entire family happy. And some of its best attractions, like One Tree Hill here, are for everyone to enjoy.
Sunset at One Tree Hill is a Hamilton Island tradition. You've got the best posse on the island, cocktails on tap, panoramic views. What a way to end the day.